Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style and Study Corner. టుడే నేను మీకు ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాను. ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకుండా ఉన్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నేను నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్లో ఏపీ విలేజ్ ఫిషరీస్ అసిస్టెంట్కి సంబంధించి సిలబస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ని డిస్కస్ చేశాను. అలాగే ఫిషరీస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫీసర్కి సంబంధించి 100 నుంచి 600 బిట్స్ వరకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఈ లింక్స్ అనేవి నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఇస్తాను. ప్లేలిస్ట్ మీరు విజిట్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ బిట్స్ అనేవి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. 600 పెన్ కల్చర్ ఈజ్ ప్రాక్టీస్డ్ ఇన్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ చిలకా లేక్. అంటే క్రింది వాటిలో ఉన్న లేక్స్లో ఎక్కడ పెన్ కల్చర్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా చేస్తుంటారని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో కింద పులికల్ లేక్, కోలేరు లేక్, చిలకా లేక్, వెంబడన్. సో ఇందులో చిలకా లేక్లో ఎక్కువగా పెన్ కల్చర్ జరుగుతుంది. 601 ఫెర్టిలైజ్డ్ ఎగ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ కార్ప్. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1.6 mm. 602 ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ మజిల్ ఫర్ పెల్ ప్రొడక్షన్. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ లామిలిడన్ మార్జినాలిస్. The Pincetta fucata is marine pearl. 603 berries are present in. Answer is West Bengal. 604 toxic algae present in pond. Answer is Microcystis. 605 mahua oil cake quantity used in pond preparation. Answer is 2500 kg. 606 scientific name of milk fish. Answer is Chanos chanos. 607 anchor worm. Answer is Lenia. This is very important bit. 608 pomfrets are always graded as pounds. Answer 609 saponin is always extracted from. Answer is Holothuria. 610 most suitable shrimp species in India to culture. Answer is Penis monodon. 611 if cephalothorax portion is removed from the shrimp, the following may be yield. Answer is 45%. 612 for development of fishery in small reservoir, which most suitable technique. Answer is culture based fishery. 613 which types of cell division takes place in gonads? Answer is meiosis. 614 fish species likely to be in danger of extinction in the near future are. Answer is endangered. 615 for control of EUS which one is used? Answer is Cefax 0.1 ppm parts per million. 616 a compound produced by an organism that inhibits the growth of another microorganism is called. Answer is antibiotic. 617 the excreting organ is called. Answer is kidney. 618 which one is mainly responsible for growth in fishes? Answer is amino acids. 619 ideal depth for brackish water fish pond. Answer is 1.5 meters. 620 profitable of a shrimp farm depends on. Answer is all means capital, seed and feed. 621 cryoprotectant used in fishes. Answer is glycerol. 622 human tapeworm. Answer is Diphyllobothrium. 623 the ornamental fish which is banned in India is. ఇండియాలో అలంకరణ చేపల్లో బ్యాన్ చేసింది, నిషేధించింది ఏది? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ పిరానా. 624 breeding traps are generally used for. Answer is live bearers. 25 natural pairing is common in the family of. Answer is cichlets. 626 the tank should be darkened for the breeding of. Answer is neon tetra. 627 dorsal fin is absent in the case of. Answer is lion head gold. 628 the fish which feeds on their own young ones. Answer is sword-tailed fish. 629 the sex ratio for goldfish breeding. Answer is 2:1. 630 velvet disease is caused by? Answer is protozoan. 631. Which of the following is the feeling of the presence of and grains? Answer is loamy soil. 632. If the diameter of soil particle is less than 0.002 mm, the soil will be. Answer is clay. 633. While studying the textural group of soil sample, the relative proportion of different sized particles was found to be 50% sand and 50% clay or slit or both. The soil will be. Answer is loamy. 634. The soil phosphorus level less than 30 ppm is indicative of. Answer is average production. 635. India major crops thrive well at temperatures between. Answer is 20 to 37 degrees centigrade. 636. Application of gypsum in a pond corrects the. Answer is pH. 637. Secchi disc is used to measure. Answer is transparency. 638. The most common method of correcting the low pH is. Answer is liming. 639. Which hardness value will be considered suitable for growth of fish? Answer is 10 ppm to 12 ppm. 640. The animals which are relatively large and powerful and can combat water currents are called. Answer is swimmers. 641. The terms epifauna and infauna are related with. Answer is newstones. 642. Epistemic form is that which grows on. Answer is sand. 643. Which is called as water milfoil. Answer is Myriophyllum. 644. Katali is the common name for. Answer is Typha. 646. Which one of the following is a desmid? Answer is Navicula. 647. Diatoms belong to. Answer is Basilarophyceae. 648. Microcystis is a. Answer is blue-green algae. 649. Which one of the following is dinoflagellate? Answer is Peridinium is a dinoflagellate. 650. Sun animalculae is the common name for. Answer is molluscan. 651. Wheel animalcules belong to. Answer is Rotifera. 52. Which one of the following is of bugs? Answer is Elosoma. 653. One-eyed giant is the name for. Answer is Cyclops. 654. Dragonflies belong to. Answer is Diptera. 655. Which set of the following is to bugs? Answer is Notonecta, Hydrometra, Daphnia, Cybistir. 656. Beetles belong to order. Answer is Hemiptera. 6. Which one of the following is called water boatman? Answer is Notonecta. 658. To hold the water at a definite level in pond and also to serve as the caseway, it is essential to construct a. Answer is sluice. 660. The conjugated proteins which determine heredity is. Answer is none of them. 661. Adenine is an example of. Answer is purine. 662. Commonly DNA contains. Answer is 4 different types of nucleotides. 663. Between A and T in the double stranded DNA, there are dash hydrogen bonds. Answer is 2 hydrogen bonds. 664. In the DNA double helix, it takes dash for 1 complete turn. Answer is 34 angstrom. 665. The same word parthenogenesis in fish seed production is. Answer is gynogenesis. 666. Cryopreservation fish egg cannot be done because of. Answer is yolk. 667. A substance that causes a specific immune response in an animal. Answer is antigen. 668. A gene whose overactivity causes cells to become cancerous as. Answer is oncogene. 669. The fish which is mutual to sea anemone. Answer is tetramer. 670. Antibody molecules in fish are. Answer is tetramer. 71. Primers are. Answer is single stranded short oligonucleotides. 672. Defense mechanisms in shrimp does not include. Answer is complement fixation. 73. Parasite responsible for fungal infection is. Answer is Ichthyophthirus multiflies. 74. Recommended treatment for fungal infection is. Answer is formalin. 75. Epigenetic ulcerative syndrome in fish is spread due to. Answer is Aphanomyces. 676. Enzyme of retroviruses which is essential for their replication. Answer is reverse transcriptases. 677. Aggregates of macrophages in hematopoietic tissues of fish having pigment granules. Answer is myelonomacrophage centers. 678. Attachment dash on a particle or antigen can activate the phagocytic activity in fish. Answer is antibody. 679. Substances administered along with antigens to increase the antibody production. Answer adjuvants. 680. Organism causing bacterial hemorrhagic septicemia. Answer is Pseudomonas. 681. Viruses at present are growth in the laboratory by. Answer is cell culture. 682. Pathological changes of the gills include. Answer is hyperplasia. 683. Primary lymphoid organ in fish. Answer is thymus. 684. Which is capable of phagocytosis. Answer is neutrophil. 685. Pseudotuberculosis is caused by. Answer is pastoral. 686. One of the notable disease as per OIE. Answer is viral hemorrhagic septicemia. 687. PUFA which reduce cholesterol and coronary disease. Answer is eicosapentaenoic acid. 688. Range of salinity for freshwater aquaculture. Answer is less than 0.5%. 689. Range of salinity for brackish water aquaculture. Answer is 0.5 to 30%. 690. Range of salinity of mariculture. Answer is 30 to 35%. 691. Range of salinity for metahalline. Answer is greater than 35%. 692. Species culture mostly in pen are. Answer is Chanus, Lattice calcarifer, Mugilcephalus. 693. Pole culture is mainly fur. Answer is mussel. 694. Salinity of supersaline salt pan. Answer is greater than 200%. 695. Species mainly cultured in supersaline area. Answer is Artemia salina, brain shrimp. 696. Fast growing species among IMSC is. Answer is Katla. 697. Maximum size of Katla is. Answer is 1.8 m. 698. Tastiest species among IMSC is. Answer is Rohu. 699. Maximum size of Rohu is. Answer is 1 m. 700. Maximum size of Mrigal is. Answer is 0.9 m. 701. Silver carp feed on phytoplankton of size less than 0.025 mm. 702. Maximum size of silver carp. Answer is 60 centimeters. 703. Artificial breeding of silver carp success in. Answer is 1962. 704. Maximum size of grass carp. Answer is 1.5 m, means 30 kgs. 705. Common carp, silver carp, grass carp are collectively called as. Answer is sanitary fish. 706. 706. Maximum size of black rohu. Answer is 1 m. 707. Maximum size of Kaveri carp. Labiofimbriatus, fringe lipped carp. Answer is 90 centimeters. 708. Kaveri carp is distributed mainly in. Answer is South Indian River. 709. Maximum size of white carp means Sirhinus cirrhosa. Answer is 45 centimeters. 710. Sarana is mainly found in. Answer is East Indian River. 711. Largest catfish is. Answer is Valago Attu. 2 meters to maximum. 612. It is genetic process by which message from the DNA which remains in form in transfers to mRNA is called. Answer is transcription. 713. Purines are. Answer is adenine and guanine. 714. Pyrimidines are. Answer is cytosine and thymine. 715. Nucleoside refers. Answer is base plus sugar. 716. The bond between bases and sugars. Answer is glycosylic. 717. If the sugar is deoxyribose, then the compounds are called deoxyribonucleotides. 718. Nucleotide. Answer is base plus sugar plus phosphate. 719. The repeating monomers of DNA or RNA are represented by a single letters. Answer is A, T, G. 720. In the double helix structure, purine and pyrimidine pair is such that. Answer is guanine pairs with cytosine, adenine pairs with thymine. 720. The different forms of nucleic acid double helix structures are. Answer is helix, B helix, Z helix, A helix. 22. SINES refers. Answer is short interspersed nucleic element. 723. LINES refers. Long interspersed nucleic elements. 724. It consists of sequence from a few hundred base pairs is. Answer is LINES. 725. It consists of sequence between 1 and 5000 base pairs is. Answer is lines. LINES. 726. SNP. Single nucleotide polymorphism. 727. RFLP means restriction fragment length polymorphism. 728. Any piece of DNA which replicates a single unit is called. Answer is replicon. 729. The initiation of a DNA replication within a replicon always occurs at a fixed point known as. Answers origin. 730. DNA is only of. Answer is one type. 731. RNA types include. Answer is all mRNA, tRNA or RNA. 732. RNA does not. Answer is replicate. 733. DNA consists of a large number nucleotides up to. Answer is 4.3 millions. RNA concentration of fish nucleotides up to. Answer is 12,800 nucleotides. 735. A unit of recombination gene. Answer is recon. 736. Gene as a unit of mutation is called. Answer is muton. 37. Gene as a unit of function is called. Answer is creston. 738. The operand model to explain the control of gene activity. Answer is Jacob and Monod in 1961. 739. The relationship between the sequence of bases in DNA or RNA and the sequence of amino acids in the polypeptide chain is called a. Answer is genetic code. 740. The average annual per capita fish consumption is 5 kg. Answer. 741. Example for predatory prey culture is. Answer is Murrel tilapia. 742. Silver carp introduced in India during. Answer is 1959. 743. Chinese carp was introduced in India. Answer is 1939. 744. Labio calabasu is commonly known as. Answer is black rohu. 745. Labio fimbriatus is commonly known as. Answer is Kaveri carp. 746. Example for freshwater shark is. Answer is Valago Attu. 747. A platform like space between Band and watery area known as. Answer is burn and bench line. 748. A mixture of silt, sand and clay in the ratio of. Answer is 1:3:2. 749. Temporary algal bloom forming in the pond water include. Answer is Euglena, Chlamydomonas volvax. If you have any doubts, please connect me on Instagram. This is my ID Shanti Grace Ejini.